we will continue our search. I think we found it, the cheapest graphics card for the best bang for your buck to play, do I say, up to Nintendo Switch and PlayStation 3 even, for under 20 bucks? Yes, I think we've got it here. So we're going to be rocking the Quadro K620 today. Under $20 and 200% more powerful than the card I did last time. We're on the hunt to play all these systems at the top of your screen, from Game Boy all the way up to PlayStation 3. You can see different handhelds and different PCs will play some better than others. And this, I think, is the missing piece. And for the price, this is pretty cool. Let's check it out. So we're going to go ahead and remove this guy, our GT710. And today we've got the Quadro. And now notice this one only has DVI and DisplayPort. I have a DVI cable. I could go DVI to DVI. I also have a DisplayPort to DVI adapter, or you can just go, if your monitor accepts it, you could just go DisplayPort to DisplayPort, which I'll be doing in this video. So all you got to do is you pull that one out and you put this one in. Oh, this is a high one, which is you can remove the whole, you can just remove the whole faceplate. You just got to take out the two DVI screws right there. Well, I did have to remove the faceplate to get it in there, but we're in now, and you can add a little screw or something. There's a screw hole right there or there that you can put a little nut on there. The card is in here. Got the card. And K, and then there we go, the Quadro K620, 30 watts. 2 gigabytes DDR3, 405 megahertz on the memory and the core. Oh, it just boosted to 1,000. Nice. What does boost do? Oh, so it boosts up to 1124 and 900. All right, let's just go straight into it here. Some PS2. Burnout 3, let's go. Oh, so not a single frame drop. Now let's go to, wow, we're only using half the GPU. So you can see that the upscaling is really what takes this thing quite, oh, I'm doing native, so let's go 2x. It's going to look a lot better. Looks way better. 2x. We see we're red up here now, 82%. %. 80%, not bad. Super playable. And this is upscaling to 720p, pretty nice. Yeah, it definitely does better on Vulkan than it does OpenGL. Our PlayStation 2 was a success. Huge success there. Alright, we're on Vulkan. Frame skipping. We'll turn it off. And then full screen's on. And we're at 3x right now. That's pretty good. Let's see how that goes. Wow, this looks really good. Alright, we are getting perfect frames here. Let's bump it up to 4x. And let's just go straight to 5. Wow, we're still running good.
No lag. Oh, there's a little lag in the video. But that's the video. No frame drops yet. Seven. Let's see what we got to do. All right, 7 is laggy. It looks great though, right? And then let's just look at our. There we go. We got the 99% GPU usage there. 3 gigs of RAM. Only 10% of the CPU. All right, let's go back in. So I think it might run 6 though. Yep. So 6 is where it starts to get laggy. We're dropping down to the 90s, which is playable. This is playable at 6, but I think a lot of you are going to want to play at 5. Let's go back to 5. No issues. Look how fluid that is. Boom. Didn't even drop a frame. A lot of people are going to want to see, can you play? So Afterburner Climax, this is a pretty typical low-end PS3 game. Oh, wrong way. Oh, it's all good. I'll make up for it. Oh. Here we go. Finally get a item. Can you use this in air? Nice. Just like that, you're first.
When it does come to the emulation, you can absolutely just go ahead and download like for example PlayStation 2. You can go and just download the PlayStation 2 emulator, PCSX2, download the BIOS files, or there's pre-made images on websites like Arcade Punks or Backups.me where you could download it for free. Some people don't like to download though, or they don't know how to set it up. So you can buy these pre-set up hard drives. I like buying them from AliExpress. You can find them on Amazon as well. I'll put links to both. But in this video, I'm using the 3 terabyte build right here. And for under $100, I don't know why it keeps going in a different language, but for under $100, um, you know, and there's coupons too, so you could probably get this even cheaper. Clip a coupon in the app. Um, you get every system from Atari all the way up to the Nintendo Switch, plus usually some PC games as well, and you get Techno Parrot. So it's going to give you plenty for years and years and years and years. So um, that's what we're using. Build it yourself is even better, but I know some people are intimidated by that. In this particular video, we use the 3 terabyte build to test.
All right, so far we've done the GT710. We got the Quadro, which for the price I think is going to be the king. But I did want to try this Dell GTX 745. So I guess these were in a bunch of Dells back in the day. So these get recycled all the time. Super easy to find, the GTX 475. So stay tuned for that video. We're going to check that one out.
So we can see the huge performance jump. And this card I just got for free. So that's how I started this whole series, was like things around my house I can get for free. And it's even a newer graphics card. Look at that, 20. In conclusion, the Quadro K620 is a must-have if you have a small computer like this with an extra PCI slot, or you have an older computer that has an older graphics card, like maybe like mine was this GT710 or a 6 series or whatever it might be. But these Quadros, something happened to where they got they were in a bunch of computers, I'm sure. Those computers were no longer in their lifespan, so libraries and institutions all probably sold them off, and now they're readily available in the wild. So this would be a nice little hack for anybody out there to recommend this graphic card. It really does do a lot of performance for very, very cheap. So you can get an old computer, grab one of these graphics cards, and for under $100, you can outperform the Raspberry Pi and a lot of other little mini PCs on the market. So pretty damn cool. Anyways, that's what I think. Let me know what you all think, and we'll catch you on the next one.